So to find how the probability or the odds of Taylor Hall's team winning the lottery in those 5 years that he was with the team, we're not counting the first year because technically he wasn't on that first Oilers team. So the first year when the Oilers won Hawkins, they had a 48.2% chance of winning. I looked it up, and it's basically worked out to that. The lottery system was a lot weirder back then. The next year, when they changed it with the Yakupov year, they had an 18.8% chance of winning the lottery and getting the first overall pick. Then the year McDavid year, they had 11.5, and then his first year in the Devils, where they drafted Nico Hischier, they had 8.5, and then this year, which they just won, with probably draft Jack Hughes, they had 11.5% chance of winning. So if we convert these percentages into fractions and multiply them, which is what you have to do because we're trying to find the probability of them winning the first year and the second year and the third year and the fourth year and the fifth year, we get this very, very small number. Now, normally when we multiply fractions like this, we're supposed to get a regular fraction, but because this is so small, we don't get that. So we basically have to, so to help us find the odds, we rewrite this number as 1 point whatever over 1, which is equivalent to this. So now to find odds is basically the numerator, which is the top number in the numerator, pretty obvious. And then in the denominator, our new denominator to find the odds is our denominator, our old one, minus our numerator, which is what we did here. This will give us a new fraction, which is represented here, which is basically going to give us, which we can rewrite into the new form for odds here. Now, because this is very hard to read and most people wouldn't really understand what this actually means, the best way we want to do is we want to make this first term equal to 1. So to do this, we know we have to multiply this number by some value to make it equal to 1, which is what we're doing up here. So this value times some value, I called it A, is equal to 1. So to isolate for A and solve it, we have to do 1 divided by the number. This will be equal to 9,816 approximately. So now we know what number A is. So basically, if we multiply 9,816 by the first number, it will equal to 1. But whatever we do to the first number, we have to do to the second number. So which means that our new odds are going to be 1 to 9,816.